5 p.m. At 2:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles north of Beaufort, or 9 miles south of New Haven, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dog-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include O'Fallon, Wildwood, Woodsville, Lake St. Louis, Washington, Garden Prairie, Union, Pacific, New Haven, Villa Ridge, Great Summit, Marthasville, New Melle, Jeffersonville, Augusta, Dudzow, Defiance, Beaufort, Leslie, and Watson. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Missouri between exit 209 and 214. Interstate 44 in Missouri between exits 251 and 257. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Friday for a portion of east central Missouri.